Pinay, kasal pa in paper sa kanyang asawa. Pero hiwalay na sila for a very long time, like 10 years or 20 years or 15 years or even longer. At meron na silang sari-sariling mga buhay. Yung Pinoy meron ng karelasyon, merong mga anak. Yung Pinay naman merong sariling buhay. Tapos ngayon may karelasyon na US citizen, for example. Tapos gusto na nilang magpakasal. So ang common question is, pwede ba silang magpakasal? Kasi hiwalay nga naman yung Pilipina, yung Pinay, from the former husband. At yung ibang situation, they would say na, okay, hindi na sila they would not contest against that. So, the question is, pwede ba silang magpakasal? Pwede na bang magpakasal? The answer is no. Hindi talaga pwede. Bakit? At sasagutin ko yung question in my next video. Please follow.